Going to see digitization of topographic sheet. So if you want to prepare any base map, we require topographic sheet as a reference. So it has permanent feature. So that we are going to see digitization of topographic sheet. Villages and name of the village we are going to prepare that as a point data. Here we want to add the topographic sheet which is already georeferenced one. Georeferenced one. So you can open by using raster add data. So layer, add raster layer. If you click this button, a pop-up window may come. Just you browse, you go to the location where you saved the image, then select that image. It would then you click this add button. Immediately the layer may appear here. So you can verify the sheet name 55I2. Here also 58I2. That sheet Salem, that locality name also displaying here, sheet number. Then if you move to here, Omulur. So this pink color area represents settlement. So we can add, we can create a layer, new shapefile layer. Then we can save this data 58I02 villages. You can save that layer name. Then it is point data. So projection system you keep as it is. Then names, add, so the length of the name, it may be 40 or 30, whatever you can give. Just give OK. Immediately the layer is appearing with point data. Here we have to go for digitization mode, that is editing mode. Right click and go to toggle editing. Immediately all the tools which is relevant tools are highlighting. You go to edit, add point feature. So this is Omulur. You click inside of this village, type Omulur. Just you type, keep it. We saved, but this point is not appearing clearly. You right click, go to properties and symbology. You select some bright symbol. So triangle, it is appearing. So if you are not like this one also, you can select someone. So now it is clearly visible. Then here you can click VOC Nagar. VOC Nagar. Here Nehru Nagar. So here Paramachanur. Sorry. Paramachanur. Like that we can type. So once you typed all the villages one by one like that. So it may be appearing like this, all the villages. Then you right click, save layer edit. Then you come out from toggle editing mode. Then you could export this file if you want to share with someone. Export this file and you go to desktop. You can share 58I02 villages. You save it. You can export like that. exported also it is appearing. That is location it is telling where we saved. It is in desktop. Now you can move to desktop. So you can see that villages 58. Then you copy all the village 6 files, copy and keep inside of your folder. 58 I 2. You can create small folder. You paste inside. Then you right click on the folder. So you can use any software to create zip file. It may be WinRAR, some other file, some other things also we can create. Now it is the file is ready. We can export through email. We can attach this file as a email. So what they do normally, if I save this project, some other name 58 I2 project, I save this, we can save this file. It's saved somewhere. Normally people what they do, they attach this project file, but if I open, we will not be able to see the data. Okay, so I stop here. This is a way of capturing data and exporting the data, and that file how we can zip and how we can transfer to one person to another person through email. So they require only shape files. We should not send any project file. Okay, if you want to save this style, you want to save this style, so you can save, this file style and properties. You go to properties, save style. You can save style, same file where we saved the file name 5807. You remove this, only you give that QML, save it and give OK. So next time if they open this file anywhere, same symbology, that style may appear. Okay, so that's all. This is the first exercise, how to create point layer, how we can digitize on topographic sheet. Okay, thank you very much.